tour of a filing system and an event that I worked on. This was a trade show event called Holiday in the Pines in Nacogdoches, Texas. It's put on by Nacogdoches Junior Forum, and all the proceeds of this event go to a different charities throughout the community. And so this is a huge event, tons of vendors. It lasts over several days. And so this is kind of my file system of how this works. This was super important for me to be able to keep things organized because I was only in charge of this event for 1 year, and then I pass it along to somebody else, and that happens every single year. And so keeping really good records and making sure that you're paying attention to your filing system and labeling everything really efficiently was super important. So you see here we have a budget, corporate sponsorships, publicity, maps, layouts, and vendors, which I'll talk a little bit about in another video. All the graphics, logos, things like that. The information that went to vendors and the contracts, which were super important because every vendor signed a contract. We also had an overhead banner permit, different committee lists, a letter from wineries, things that didn't really fit into these big categories. But within each document, there's a profit and loss statement, last year's budget, so you had that to reference. But there's all kinds of files within, and so this is exactly what you'll be charged with doing in your assignment. So this is just kind of an example of how this works, and I hope this kind of helps you give some ideas on how to organize your own files. Thanks for tuning in.